Friends, the given problem is solve d to the power of 4 minus 5d square plus 4 into y is equal to 0. By the observation of this problem, they are given 4 quotient is 1 and 5 quotient is d square and d to the power of 4, where capital D is nothing but d by dx, the differential operator. So here you have it, d square is nothing but order of the derivative is 2 and d power 4 is nothing but order of the derivative is 4. So you can say this problem is belongs to higher order differential equation, right? And the quotients are also here constant, so it is called higher order linear differential equation with a constant quotient. Moreover, this is in the form of f of d into y is equal to q of x. So the general solution of f of d into y is equal to q of x, we have y of x is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Friends, you see complementary function we can find out, but the particular integral case here q of x is 0. So whenever q of x is 0, you see the particular integral we are writing f of d into y is equal to q of x. Whenever q of x is 0, then the particular integral will be 0. So in this case particular integral will be 0, and then the general solution is only y of x is equal to complementary function. So now we have to find out the complementary function. How to find the complementary function means, you see, let y is equal to e to the power of mx be a solution of f of d into y is equal to 0. Then we will have the auxiliary equation f of m is equal to 0. What is f of m means, here you have m to the power of 4 minus 5m square plus 4 is equal to 0. I will tell you how it is getting. You see what you consider, y is equal to e to the power of mx. So the dy is nothing but derivative of y. So e power mx derivative is what? M into e to the power of mx. Next, d square y is nothing but m into e power mx derivative, m into e power mx. Again e power mx derivative is m, mx derivative is m. Next, d cube y is equal to, you will have similarly m cube e power mx, and d to the power of 4y is equal to m to the power of 4 into e to the power of mx. Now we have to substitute these all values, m to the power of 4, d power 4, d cube, d square, d values in the given problem. That is, you will have, you see, y is equal to what you consider, e power mx. So dy means y is contain e power x, dy, d square y, d cube y all are containing e power mx. So e power mx you can take common. Then in place of d power 4, what I can write? M to the power of 4 minus 5d square means 5m square plus 4 minus 5m square plus 4 into this one is equal to 0. This one is equal to 0. Friends, you see product of two functions are 0 in this case. So either this one is 0 or this one is 0 or both will be 0. But e power mx never 0. So what you can say, only m to the power of 4 minus 5m square plus 4 is equal to 0. Right. Now we have to find out the roots for this. But it is a even power and this is also even power. So you can consider m square is equal to t. Then you will have t square minus 5t plus 4 is equal to 0. Then this one you can write as t minus 1 into t minus 4 is equal to 0. So t is equal to, here you have 1 and t is equal to, you have 4. What is the t here? M square. So m square is equal to 1 comma m square is equal to 4. So if you simplify this, then you will have m is equal to plus or minus 1 comma m is equal to plus or minus 2. So here how many roots we have? 4 roots. For the biquadratic in this case, m to the power of 4 means degree 4, you will have how many roots? 4 roots. Observe the roots are here what? Minus 1 plus 1, minus 2 plus 2. So the roots are here real and distinct. Friends, you remember, whenever the roots are real and distinct, like a, b, c, d, 4 roots are real and these roots are distinct, then we have the complementary function ycf is equal to c1 e to the power of ax plus c2 e to the power of bx plus c3 e to the power of cx plus c4 e to the power of dx. So this is the formula for the complementary function when the roots are real and distinct. In this case, what is a? Plus 1. What is b? Minus 1. What is c? Plus 2. What is d? Minus 2. Then complementary function is equal to ycf is equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e to the power of minus x plus c3 e to the power of 2x plus c4 e to the power of minus 2x. Now the general solution. General solution is what we have, y is equal to cf plus pi. Pi is already 0. So what you let only cf. Therefore y of x is equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e to the power of minus x plus c3 e to the power of 2x plus c4 e to the power of minus 2x is the final solution, where c1, c2, c3, c4 are arbitrary constant constant. So you can take any one of them, right? Thank you for watching this video. Friends, you can solve this problem by using calculator. Now I will explain. You see, here what is the equation you have? M to the power of 4 minus 5m square plus 4. Okay. So to find the roots here, observe the given polynomial equation of degree 4. So in this calculator only I am saying fourth degree roots you can find out by using this calculator only. So I am going to explain right now. So go for menu. In this one, equations means you have to press A button. Then you see those are two types of the equations. One is a simultaneous equation, another one is a polynomial equation. So now this is a polynomial equation. So press 2 button. What is he is asking the select the degree. What is the degree of m power 4? 4 only. So press 4 button. Now here you observe 0x power 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x square plus 0x plus 0 is equal to something they are asking. So 0 is nothing but you have to replace the values. X to the power of 4 quotient is nothing but m power 4 quotient. What is m power 4 quotient? 1. Next, is there m cube? No. So you put 0. Next, m square is there? Yes. What is the quotient of m square? Minus 5. So press minus 5. Next, m is there? No. So that is 0. Next, what is the constant you have? 4. So plus 4 is equal to button. Now you see x1 is equal to 2. Next, x2 is equal to 1. x3 is equal to minus 1. x4 is equal to minus 2. That's it. You got the 4 roots or not? Yes. So by using the calculator you can do like this. Thank you for watching this video.